Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about Spring Boot and Swagger implementation. Swagger is basically API documentation tool. In this screen, we have seen that Swagger documentation. Documentation will be say that this is the API description format for REST API and OpenAI file allow you to describe your entire API including like endpoints, operation parameter, authentication method, and on contact information, license and term use all other information. API specification can be written in YAML or JSON file. The format is easy and available to the both human and machines. And complete open specification can found in GitHub. Okay. Swagger is the plugin, guys. So we can share our APIs to the front-end developer. Previously, in the legacy structure, we have sending by using our notepad. We have creating one text file, and in that text file, we have adding the APIs, and or we have maintaining some Excel in Google Drive. In that time, we have updating the API. We have to hard to just send the API to the front-end developer. Front-end developer will be referring the old API, and we have developed a new API. This will miscommunication will happen. Swagger will be solve this problem. So we have to implement Swagger in our Spring Boot application. So we have API documentation will be very smoother and easily. Okay. Then we have to learn. This is documentation, guys. For your reference, you have to learn this documentation. Uh, See that for interview preparation, you can learn this. We have going into practical example. So we have opening our Eclipse. Okay. Here I have already created one Spring Boot application. Okay, for Swagger implementation. So I will overview the Spring Boot application. This is basically main application of Spring Boot. Then firstly we have to giving the pom.xml file. We have to using the uh, Java Spring Boot version 3. Okay, we have using the Java 17. Okay. Then this is dependency like web for Spring Data GPA, web dependency like Dev tool dependency for auto pressing, MySQL dependency for database connections, and test and this is the for validation. Okay, Java X validation. Okay, this is the Spring Boot Spring pom.xml file guys. Then we have to main class. This is the application will be start guides. Then second we have to controller class. In the controller class we have defined the APIs. Okay, all these API we have to define in the Swagger. We have need to in the Swagger of documentation. So we have to implement Swagger in this application. Okay. Then we have to exception class like we have separating the class exception, global exception handler like this. We have to separating the exception and we have to model. This is the model guys. We have to employees model. Table name will be employees. Okay. Then we have to repository layer. In repository layer we have using this JPA repository. Okay, this is our all this Spring Boot application, guys. We have to run this application. Run this debug at Spring Boot application. Okay, in we have to simultaneously we are using the MySQL. So open that MySQL also. Okay, here this is MySQL, guys. Then giving the password. Okay, and here we can getting the tables. Like this is our table, guys. Okay, this is our data. We have two rows. First will be Ram and the second will be Sankalp. Okay, then we have to checking that our application is running. Okay, our application is running, guys. Okay, we at port 8080. So we have to testing the APIs firstly. Then we have to firstly get all APIs. So we have done hit. Then we have to getting two APIs. Okay, then we have to get by ID. We have getting the RAM API. Then 102. Okay, then we have to pass the 102 here. Then we have to getting this API. Okay, and then create API. We have creating the one API. Then we have to creating like some Gupta, and we have email ID like HYM Sam G. Okay, and we have to add this. Okay, our API is created and it will be 152. Okay, then it will be we have implementing in this here also 152 and here also here we can give it the 152. Then we have to getting this Sam Gupta also. Okay, then we have to update this API. Okay, then we have to 152 we have update that API. So we have giving the same JSON like this. Here we are eliminating the ID. We are adding in the term. Okay. Here we can giving the Sam Gupta, and here name surname will be changed to the Sam Gupta to the Sham Pandey. Okay, and email ID also change to Pandey. Okay, so we have to update that, and we have to update the records. Then we have to getting the records like this. We have getting the updated last name and updated email ID. Okay, then last API will be developed to the delete the employee. Then like this, we have to delete the employee. We have to delete the Sham Pandey. Then we have to delete the Shampande, then we have to send to the this deleted true. Means we have deleted the all that employee. Means getting that we have not getting the Sham. Okay. This is the simple CRUD operation, guys. That is nothing fancy in this code, guys. Simple CRUD application. So our task will be that we have to add a Swagger implementation in this class. Okay. Then we have to add the IPA, its dependency in our application. Okay. So I have pasting the dependency. Okay, guys, we have to pasting the dependency. This is a dependency, guys. This is the dependency for our Swagger. Okay, this is the Swagger dependency, guys. OpenAI starter.mvc UI. Okay, and this is the validation, guys. This is the supporting dependency, guys. Then we have to save this and we have to run this code. Okay, restart this code. It will be automatically restarting, guys. Uh, okay, automatically restarting. Then we have to restarting at port 8080. Okay, then we have opened the Swagger UI. Okay, HTTP localhost host. Okay, guys, we have adding the Swagger UI.index.html. Okay, here we can see, guys, we have already implemented Swagger UI and all these APIs. Okay, then we have to getting some API like get APIs. Okay, then we have to pass like we have pass likes try it out. We have passing like execute. Okay, no parameter needed. We have getting the two endpoints. Okay, then here we can add the one API. Then we have to adding this. We have using the post. Okay, try it out. We have saying like this. We have not passing ID like Rahul Pandit. Rahul P. Okay, then we have to execute. Okay, we have getting the 200 response. Rahul Pandit will be created. Okay, then we have get the employee. Okay, we have Rahul Pandit great. All these API we have getting from here, guys. So we can it's a very easy, guys. Means we have to giving the URL to the our front end developer. Front end developer go into the sites and he will be testing the API in this UI and implementing the API, and any correction will be API he will be suggest here. Okay, here only. This is the concept of Swagger API. This is very simple, guys. We have to add only this dependency in our pom.xml file. We have to implement the Swagger dependency in Spring Boot application, guys. Another step, guys, we have creating one configuration class, guys. It is a very customizable, guys. Then we have to here we can changing the name or anything of that. We have already customizable. I will show you. Here we can create one package like dot config. Okay, and here we can refresh this. Okay, and here you can creating like a class like swagger config config. Okay. Uh, here okay, and here you can going the annotation like address configuration. Okay, and then we have to giving like creating one method like public open API my custom config return new open API dot info dot title dot info dot new info dot title, and here we are going the learn code with Sankalpa spread with Sai. Okay, and where you can close this. Okay, okay, this is the when we have here we can define the bin at the rate bin. Okay, then we have restart the project. It is automatically restarting, guys. Then it will be started. Then we have to open our UI. See, guys, this is the changing. Okay, and here you can also say the configuration of customizable API. Like here you can say that here you can giving the controller class. Inside the controller class, we have giving the tag name. Okay, then here we can add the rate tag, and name will be the employee API. API. Okay, and description will be that description. Okay, here we can add the annotation like create, create, read, update. Okay, here we can save this, and we have to. It is auto updating, guys. Okay, and here you can see that. Uh, and here you can see that. Okay, here you can see that we have adding the customizable API also. Okay, this is Swagger, guys. Only thing will be that we have creating one configuration class like this, and we have adding the dependency on the pom.xml file. Okay, this is the main dependency, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you have understand the concept of Swagger, guys. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.